Hello peeps, Julia Jordan, your favorite real estate agent, live to you. We just finished the open house. We're here at 12602 Ivyforest Drive in the heart of Texas. Super easy access to all your highways, shopping, yummy restaurants. 3,525 square footage. We're built in 1981, but the whole house is redone. We have a $30,000 train AC unit, super expensive AC. It's blowing cold in the house. We are selling probably this weekend. This house we're listed for 419 square footage price, just on the spot. We have brand new carpet, beautiful, redone the whole house. All the bathrooms has a one of those claw foot tubs in the master. A lot of marble everywhere, brand new carpet, and the sellers went all in. Paint got refreshed, and it's just a little beauty here. 4-bedroom in the middle of Lakeforest. You guys look it up on HAR. Let me know if you want to buy it. I can definitely help you. We have this one available and several others. It's a corner lot. Look how beautiful the neighborhood is. Yeah, so if you want to buy or sell, let me know. I would be honored to help you. Bye bye.